Riding this 2023 CBR 500R back home for my boy. Basically brand new. It has an aftermarket aero exhaust. That's about it. But it is pretty. I need to not wreck it. Ideally. Gosh, this thing is fucking tiny. Yo, this thing feels so weird. This is so like upright. Yeah, 4,300 miles. Dude, I actually have mirrors. This is weird. I can actually see the people behind me. Also need to not get pulled over. I mean, the old tag is on it, and I have the new tag. There's no insurance though. This aero exhaust. That sounds good, I guess. It still sounds like a twin.